South to the state of Telangana, wherein Telangana Minister Konda Surekha, who sparked a row by alleging Bharat Raksha Samiti, BRS leader K.T. Rama Rao's involvement in the divorce of actors Samantha Prabhurat and Naga Chaitanya, has now apologized for her remarks made. Her apology has come in after KTR sent a legal notice demanding the minister to retract her statement and apologize, else he would take legal action against her. In a series of tweets, Konda Surekha clarified that her comments were meant to question KTR's belittling of women and not hurt anyone's sentiments. She said her remarks were not aimed at demeaning Samantha Prabhu's family and expressed regret if her remarks had hurt her. Let's take a look at what exactly has been said by Surekha. In a social media post, she wrote, and I quote, "In my political career, I have never mentioned or brought up issues of anyone's family for political gains. I did not demean your family or Samantha Prabhu's. I never use the problems someone faces in their personal life as a means to target them, nor did I do it in your case. That's not my style or intention." That's what's been said by the Telangana minister. On Tuesday, a viral video of Konda Surekha accusing KTR of meddling in the personal lives of celebrities and being linked to drug-related controversies surfaced on social media. In the video, the minister also brought up the divorce of Samantha Prabhu and Naga Chaitanya, accusing KTR of being behind their separation. Let's take a look at this very remarks that's been made by Surekha.
KTR के वजह से समंता का डाइवर्स हुए, हमारे को मालूम इंटरनल इश्यूज। वो तब मिनिस्टर था, ये हीरोइंस का फोन टैप करके उसका वीकनेस कुछ है तो वो रिकॉर्ड करके उसको सुना के आप आए तो ये बाहर नहीं आते, नहीं तो ये बाहर ट्रोल करते बोल के वो लोगों को लाले के उसको ड्रग्स एडिक्ट करके ये भी ड्रग्स लेके उसका लाइफ को स्पॉइल करे। सब कुछ हीरोइंस का वास्ते ऐसा हुआ। सब कुछ हीरोइंस अब अर्जेंटली मैरिज करके इंडस्ट्री से बाहर चले गए।
Now, Konda Surekha's remarks drew a furor with several celebrities, including Naga Chaitanya and Samantha Prabhu, lashing out at the minister as well. This is the particular story that we are bringing to you, the reactions that's come in and responses into Konda Surekha's remarks on Samantha Prabhu and Naga Chaitanya's divorce. That's now, in fact, backfired at the Telangana minister. With that now, we're shifting our focus to another actor politician, this time Kangana Ranaut, courted a new controversy on Wednesday with a social media post about Mahatma Gandhi and former Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri. Well, this is not the first of the controversies that we've seen around some of the remarks made by the actor politician Kangana Ranaut. The actor, who previously faced backlash for her comments on the farmers' protest, paid homage to Shastri on his 120th birth anniversary through a post that appears to downplay Gandhi's stature as the father of the nation. Ranaut wrote on her Instagram stories that the country does not have fathers, it has sons. Blessed are these sons of Mother India. In a follow-up post, the actor credited Prime Minister Narendra Modi for carrying forward Gandhi's legacy on cleanliness in the country. Post on Shastri and Gandhi has led to another row for the BJP MP from Mandi. On your screens right now is the particular post that was made by her on her Instagram story and the translation of it, wherein she has said the country does not have fathers, it has sons. Blessed are these sons of Mother India. देश के पिता नहीं, देश के तो लाल होते हैं. That is the very statement that's been posted by her on her social media account.